So for today's video, what we are going to do, we're gonna play a toolbox. Wow! Show to them. Wow, Alex have a new toolbox. There's a lot of things that you can see here. As you can see, there's a hammer. What else? There's a pliers. Isn't it amazing, Alex?
Yeah, look.
Okay, so Alex gonna fix her airplane. His airplane. Wow!
I have to catch my airplane.
Really, to catch your airplane. Uh-oh. What happened, Alex? Okay, so Alex is Alex gonna pretend that the airplane is broken. So yeah, yuck. So don't do that. It's so messy. Okay, so can I have the pliers, please? I'm gonna fix the airplane.
Okay, help me.
Yeah. Let's get a hammer. Let's get a hammer. And the other one is hammer. Can I have the hammer, please? I'm gonna fix this one, Alex.
Ako na, mommy.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Broken. Broken, mother, broken.
Oh, okay. Let's try to restart the airplane if it's already working. Okay. Oh, still not working. What are we gonna do, Alex? The airplane's still broken.
No, and that's it.
Oh, I think we're gonna need to have the other tools that you have there. Okay, let's try this one. So what we're gonna do with this, okay. Oh, this is how it works. Look at this, Alex. You're gonna try to put this one like this, and then it's gonna be open. Look, wow. And then maybe when I put it like this, the airplane gonna
Open.
fix. Look at this, Alex. How clever mommy is. Wow, so cool. Don't do that. Uh-oh.
No.
Just put it there. Put it back. Everything there. And say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. And then video and show. Bye.
Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Now. The watching.